Let's take one more exercise in SolidWorks. Double layer tube with hole. Now see, there is two layer of tube, one inside and one outside. Inside have hole also. All dimensions are in millimeter. All curved surface are tangent. 7 pattern of hole inside tube. Okay. Now let's make first inside tube. Inside tube you will see 477. See the dimension given from inside. So we will consider 96 from inside. Now from here to here 75. The inside radius 77, 71. Okay. Now this is also inside diameter and the thickness of this 2 millimeter. Okay. Now we are going to start this side. So I am going to choose right plane, sketch, activate circle, and let me start from here. Go back to the point and see this is converted into arc. Again go back to the point and the line is converted into arc. We need two arc here. Connect. Now let's right click, exit. Now let me select these two lines, make it construction geometry. Now this dimension outside 77 and inside radius 35.5. Outside 77, so 475 inside. 35.5. Let me select this corner, say OK. Now let's apply diameter. 96. 121. Now this distance 75. 77. 71. Okay. Now I want to make a circular solid body. So go to feature and activate revolve boss base. Now here if you want to close, say no, because I want to make a, let me select this axis of revolution, this one, and see this is automatically added thickness. Thickness is 2 millimeter and keep thickness outside because in drawing thickness shows outside. Keep angle 360 degree. Say OK. Now let's add these holes. Now let's see this hole position. 185 from outside. We will consider it from outside. And there are 6 number of holes, 25 diameter, 50 is the gap, 30 millimeter. Then this wrap on this surface and make 7 number of patterns. Right plane, sketch. Okay, center line, let me draw a center line. Make sure it's horizontal. Now again draw one line. Construction line. Let me draw one circle here. Smart dimension, let's define this angle 30 degree. This diameter 25. And distance from outside given 185. Now go to linear pattern, sketch. Now here select clear and select this axis. Now here select pattern entity, select this circle or arc. Now here number of patterns 6. Okay, but here you have to apply this gap 50 millimeter. Now you will see the preview. Say okay. Smart dimension, just simply apply dimension to this two. Okay, now look, it seems fully defined sketch. Simply exit and activate here wrap feature. Now I want to make hole here. So first let me choose wrap type emboss, deboss, and wrap analytic. This is circular way, not spline. So let me choose wrap method analytical. Sketch already selected. Let me select face. Select this face, and here you have to add thickness, depth, 2 millimeter. Okay, the arrow is perfect direction. I want to make this side. Say okay, and see the hole is created. Circular pattern. Now let me select here wrap feature. Now for circular, let me select any circular body. Spacing, equal spacing 360 degree and 7 number of patterns. Let me say okay. And see. For a better view, let me do one thing. Okay, now it more visible. Okay, now let's add outside, this outside one. Okay, let's see outside diameter 104. This total, how much this depth? Let me select from here. Outside 104, this outside 179. Okay, then other dimensions, thickness also 2 millimeter, and see here 98 102, this curve dimension 40 millimeter, this one. And this is going to start from here 75, from here to here you have to subtract 2 millimeter thickness, so this is going to be 73 millimeter. This outside radius 27. Okay, now again choose right plane, sketch, activate line tool, start from somewhere here. Go back to the point and see the line is converted into arc. Again is line, again go back to point, and this is converted into. Now let me draw one horizontal line, come back and draw one mid line. Construction line, make it horizontal. Now select this line, make it construction. Smart dimension. Now distance from here to outside 600. Okay, now distance from here to this outer face 73, because the thickness going to add outside. Outer diameter 104. This one 179. One 102. 98 40. Okay, let's check. Make all curves are tangent, so select all points. Okay, this is fully defined. You will see preview. Fillet 27 and select this end. Okay, cancel. Now let's activate revolve boss base, and here say no, we don't want close. Now here let me choose axis, this one, and you will see the preview. Keep angle 360, merge result, and thickness 2 millimeter. Here activated thin feature and thickness going to go inside 2 millimeter. Say OK. Now select this one, go to appearance, and here I am going to go glass, green glass. Okay, it looks more practical, no? Okay, let's add this one, this flange. See this side view, 175, 175, 25 and 26. This circle distance not given, it means you will see here both center point are same. 10 millimeter from here to outside, then this depth 10 millimeter, and outside diameter here see 110. We will do it. Let me select this face, sketch, activate here center rectangle, draw one square out. Let me select all two edges equal. Smart dimension 175. Fillet 25. Now select all. Here say continue. Yes, yes. Apply to all. Say OK and cancel. Activate circle. Now you will see there is a center point. So draw 4 circles at center point. Now press and hold shift key and select all 4 circles. If you leave shift key, you will see this pop up, even left side equal. Smart dimension 26. Okay. Now let me select the outer circle, convert entity, or either you can draw it. Extrude. Now this flange depth 25, but start condition 10 millimeter away from this. Now let me select here reverse. See gap 10 millimeter and 25 millimeter this direction. Okay. See. Now outside circle 100 diameter. So here also we need to add one more circle. $110. We need to add this thickness. Select this circle, convert entity. Extruded boss base. Now here reverse, start condition keep same, end condition blind, reverse. And here reverse choose up to next. Now see, this is going to project up to this surface. Now let me select inside, see 96 at bottom, again select outside 110. That's it. This is what we need to make. If you see section view, looks. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.